So I'm go ahead and seals and seals around the beads, but do not using it on the crystal because you don't want to flood your crystal. You are going to do it seals on the top of the like leaves. I mean the metal pieces, which is in this one is a leaf. And you can check, I feel scratchy right here. You're going to squeeze it out just a little bit every time. You're just using just that much. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. And then keep in mind, you can always go back and seal it again if you feel like it's still catching on your hair or your clothes. Feel it again, but make sure give it like a 10 to 15 second flash cure first, so then that the first layer of the precision glue gel get to set before you squeeze more precision glue gels. Okay, so flash cure quick and do the rest of them. A precision glue gel's needle, and I'm gonna seal it on the top of the bead. Seal the crystal first. All right, so let's cure this beauties for 60 second full cure.